What is an osteopath? Part 2. Osteopathic principles. Something that is unique to osteopathy is that we are guided by 4 key principles. 1. The body is a unit. Osteopaths acknowledge that a person is whole in regards to body, mind, and spirit. 2. The body is capable of self-regulation and self-healing. Osteopaths respect the body and appreciate that it has an inherent capacity to maintain health and heal itself when given a suitable environment. 3. Structure and function are reciprocally interrelated. This osteopathic principle acknowledges that the musculoskeletal system can reflect changes in and can produce changes in other body systems. And 4. Rational treatment is based on an understanding of the previous principles of body unity, self-regulation, and the interrelationship of structure and function. Osteopathic treatment will be guided by these principles and informed by academic evidence. For an overview of conditions that osteopaths can treat, please see our Part 3 video.